Hey everyone, today I have Makita DTW701 wrench, and you can see it's a strange color here, and the color here like this is because this one was on the house fire, and basically it works. It looks a little dark and it's the bottom cover missing, but I will open it to check, maybe it's something more wrong with this one. Okay, we have got the 4 rusty screws out. Now we'll go for the armature and the housing. All the screws are corroded a little bit and dark. Okay, the back cover looks good here. Of course, here we have some dark spots. I don't know if it's normal or not. Okay, opening the handle. I'm taking all the screws out from the housing because I think I will want to soak it in a cleaning water or something similar. Oh, it's a spider. Maybe it was inside of the tool or the house fire and the tool saved it. Okay, bye spider. Now is the time for it to go. Okay, let's try to open the housing. Okay, we have some here. Okay, of course. I have nice smoked meat smell here. And as you can suspect, the armature is really rusty here. The ball bearing looks good. The field looks good, but of course need to be washed. These parts need to be cleaned from the dust. So I will take all them out. Okay, now the armature. I will try to lift the armature with 2 screwdrivers. Yep, easily. Next time I will do that with my hand. Okay, so the bearing good. The bearing is good. The fan is good. This one is rusty. And what we have inside here, we have nice gears. Okay, of course probably they're good and healthy. I believe this rubber can be removed somehow. Okay, I have the rubber. Okay, a small part of the video will be missing because the memory card got full, and now I want to go to the hammering casing and I want to open it. You can see that the grease is pretty good here. Of course, what I want to do, I want to try to wash the housing. So I still need to remove the washer, the anvil, and probably on the hammer I can inspect the gears, but it looks perfect. Okay, so I have cleaned some parts. Now I need to put the grease and the parts back again. I will mount the O-ring, housing. We'll grease the gear. Now we'll put some grease on these gears. Some grease inside here. Okay. The gear now is inserted, and of course I have the washer. Putting it in the housing here. Have the anvil. I want to grease it a little bit. Okay, now goes the hammer. As you can see, it was not a lot of grease here. Basically, I think it's not needed a lot of grease. Okay, now disposing it, and you can try to spin it to make it fit. Okay. Seems to be fitted now. This one fit, this okay, looks good, or I hope so that it looks good. Okay, I have cleaned the rubber a little bit, and later I will, or I can clean it now a little bit with the VD, with the VD40. Just getting it on paper. And spraying it with VD, then cleaning it with the paper, and it will look better, it will be more shiny. Clean the side of it. Okay. And now I will put the cover on a housing. Clean it, and as you can see, when you will clean it, it will look really good. Of course, later I will dry clean it with all the tool. Okay, let's check the housing. With the housing I had the problem. I have tried to clean it, and the burn marks are seen here. But of course, what can we do more? Have cleaned the field. It's some rust left on it. It's really not much, so I'm not worried a lot about it. And my most concern, the biggest concern, is that it's clean, dry, and of course I hope it will work fine. So now we need to get everything back as it was. We will check for the wires. the direction changer. We'll clean it a little bit from the dust and dirt. Okay, put it into the switch. Now I want to get a hammer housing. Again. Now I want to check to not have the gaps like I have the gaps here. So this gap means that I have not fitted the field good, or the housing is a little bit warped after the fire. Yeah, you can see now we don't have a gap. That's good. Let's check if we can put a gear housing here. Yeah, we can. Now we have the bolts for it. Our hammer housing are in place, and what can we do? We can insert the armature. I will insert it in the housing first. Try to clean the housing, but it's cannot clean it normally, and if I will use something aggressive I can damage the rubber. Okay, I forgot the armature need to go first. Taking the hammer housing. Okay, and now I will not insert it. I need to open the housing. Really sorry about that, or sorry not. Okay, now I want to fit the field right in place. Okay, I hope that the armature and the gear IC will feel good. Yeah, seems that they feel good. Now double checking for the gaps. It's no gaps. That's a good sign for us. I hope now I'm closing it for the last time. Okay, now we have the armature in place. We can put the back over. We have our screws and we can check. They seem to be all the same. Okay, now we have our covers here and the rubber protection. Let me check. Yep, like that and like that. Don't fall out here. Yep. Okay. We have brand new button cover. For this one, yeah. It seems to fit here. Closing the housing. Getting it assembled completely and checking if it looks good. I can spin the anvil, that's good. And now I want to check the battery. I have changed this yellow terminal for this battery. You can find the video in my video list. Nice, the first speed, 4 speed. We have the modes working, okay, it looks good. I'll try to hold the socket. Okay, it handles good, so that's a nice. Back to wrench. Driver, thank you for watching this video. Of course, if you are watching till the end, don't forget to press thumb up, subscribe if you are not subscribed, and waiting with my next video. Bye.